guys, welcome back to Ring Gaming and More. Welcome back to Subway Servers. Okay, this will take a while. That's a lot. I need to just use it. What? Yeah, that's okay. What? Nah. I'll just. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's close. Great. The zombie just took me. I go 1, fail. Go 2. Right. And I up, jump up, left, up, right, up, down, up. There's going for the moon. I guess that's kind of gets it with the theme. The O and how it looks from the top. Perfect. This would be so good. No, I forgot the second O. No. Okay, that was okay. Good. I guess this is my best. Down. Ooh. No. And that kind of helped me. What I need to find is ghosts. Just right at just because of the top left. This is so fast. And I just used one of my hoverboard and it just crashed. That's not good. Up. Right, left. The second though, yes. I just need to find the N. The N. So fast. This is like 100 kilometers per hour for that guy's speed. Whatever the name is. Woo! Close. Yay, we finished moon. Finished moon in one go. No, in the second go, I guess. But second one, whatever. I need to use the hoverboard, or I will die, as you know. No, it's the bad place to be. Right. Phew. That was a relief. Ooh, do we need to dodge these? No, I don't think we do. Oh my god, so good. Up. Up. Oh, I missed that. So bad. I'm gonna die, ain't I? I have to die. Got it. I had to die. What? That wasn't my best. Okay, go 3. Great. Go 4. I was finding out that the little poles, the traffic poles, I don't think they hurt you. I didn't find that out. Did that? I don't think so. I'm just gonna try it again. Whoop. That's so cool. Whoop. Okay, let's go with those ones. Let's try. Well, I kind of didn't touch it. So let's try it another one. The one without curves. Like in the middle somewhere. Yeah. So you know what? I need to find out. There are lots of trains in Halloween. Well, yeah, like this. Oh, it does. What the hell? What the hell? They both re-jumped. Go 4. No, go 5. Let's go 5. Jumping. I want that. Shoot. You could go up there. Boom, boop, 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 boop. Alright, let's get this. Okay guys, I guess I'm gonna end that video out there because I did my best. Thank you for watching. See you next time and goodbye.